Now I count the total number of price items in column J. I will not add the values of column J. I just count the unique price items. So what is count function? Count function counts the cells contain numeric values. This function does not count cells contain text. It only counts cells contain numeric values. So what is the syntax of count function? The syntax of count function is very simple. You can see here, count is the name of function. In arguments, range specifies the numerical values of range. To calculate number of price items in column J, activate cell J36. In Formulas tab, click Insert function. Type count function in a search box. Click Go. Select the count function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box opens. You have some instructions here. This function counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. In value 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have 15 items in cell J36. So 15 items are in column J.